Okay, we don't come. Okay. Why my voice low like this?
Increase the volume.
Make I increase the volume. All right, but first of all, we go like wish Kel from the blog. Yesterday na her birthday.
Her birthday,
and she
yes.
the verse say we know wish her happy birthday.
Kelechi,
Yes.
oh yeah.
Yes,
Oh
Kel.
yeah.
The popular rapper Kel, the popular
Yes.
musician,
That
person
is
they
girl.
scatter music like
Yes.
tomorrow will not
The
day.
innocent,
Wow.
the innocent fire starter. Kel.
The innocent
Serious
Abeg.
fire starter. No, talk
Kel.
and talk and before.
Talk
The innocent fire starter.
Starter.
Kel, I don't talk and Mona, Amaka talk. Starter. Say you the starter. You be fire starter.
If you like
Fire starter.
If you like, I can get one time where I'm going down there, chicken, we get one kind talk. I'm going to go there, chicken, they call Delta, Dera. My name is Chikor, I come from Dera. So she's the innocent fire.
Starter. Like you don't just the picture right on the trend since yesterday online.
Boy, I see that picture.
The face you make when she come from
You shake
Ghana.
your Yoruba uncle with left hand.
You don't knock you for
But that's
it.
with the laugh, so we dey wish you, Kel, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kel.
Happy birthday
Yes,
to
so
you.
even though we don't see our cake.
Now we not look for the cake. The cake plenty, food everywhere.
I don't see.
Yeah, the cake plenty. Because I
Kel,
see
my
pictures.
person.
I see pictures.
And they look weird because we know they're around yesterday, so they want
So I don't want
Where?
how you take.
I say I see pictures. Not
Okay,
say
you see pictures
Okay.
of the cake.
that one are audio. You see, let me say you see, you hold on for hand.
We will
Alright.
look for Ori.
Well, whether say we see the one for hand or not, we just wish you happy birthday.
Yes,
Happy birthday.
Kelly.
And many glorious years ahead.
Amen.
Good husband, picking, money, everything that you go get Kel.
Amen.
Happy birthday, Kel from the blog. You catch Kel on the blog, 3 p.m. Wakago Reach 4 on your cool TV. Yes, you go see her, Titi, Gloria, and
The
Ayo.
beautiful Ayo.
The beautiful Ayo. All right, time that wish for us to talk, but we're going to need to introduce ourselves. My name still remains pweeery. Today's show go there very wonderful. We get, as usual, within day hot. We get our cocoa of the day. We get real chore, where you go decide whether we will continue to wear the cloth here or we go chore them inside those bins. So that segment will come and all of us go need to put our mouth inside them. But the ladies, them, they're going to don't cover themselves one by each.
Oh yes, my name is Betiana Unweli, and I do very happy to say we don't come back.
Oh, thank you, darling.
My name is Amaka Okudiafo, and yes, me too, I'm happy because I missed Uri yesterday, Sha.
All right, my own name is
They say Sha, but me, I genuinely miss you. I genuinely.
I believe your own.
Wait, so you don't believe my own? Anything when I push Sha now. So because I push Sha, you don't believe.
You don't know what
You know they sure. Sha
I'm
means
not
say you
sure.
know they sure. Like,
Okay, I miss you, fool.
you dey call am fool.
Now, just my own name still remember to be made and not take my shine. Amaka can argue for things like this, eh?
No mind that.
To you?
And tomorrow on a beautiful day on Top, because tomorrow Amaka go add another year to her.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
By
Amaka,
then, yeah.
tomorrow she go be 21.
20.
20. Okay, 20.
20.
Yes, tomorrow she could be 20.
Yeah, God bless your new age. Take.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Under 20 them. Chai.
You know easy.
So follow on top Twitter, wish her happy birthday, I beg now, our darling. Wish her happy birthday on top Twitter at Olivia2NG.
Bakam.
Yes, I beg. And if you get anything for her tomorrow, just bring and come. She go Colombian with
Sharp
open
on
hands.
Yes. On my art,
bring
my
her
art and
come.
might.
Yes, celebrate her tomorrow. Tomorrow now,
We go put somebody standby by the gate.
Of course.
Oh yes.
Shall be collecting your
Of
gift.
course. All right, time that wish for us to talk. The tempo needs to increase.
All right, let's go.
Time that wish for us to talk.
Okay.
Ginger. So should be talk.
Now you suppose
Maybe
ginger.
talk.
Oh yeah, start to ginger. Ginger.
All right, so make we dig into what's in the hot today.
All right.
I don't already talk, but I don't already talk.
We don't ready to talk.
Now, for people who just join us, they go the one that say what they want to talk about. Yes, we're going to need to tell you, say talk now, talk show where we they talk about things where they happen for Nigeria, things where they happen for Obodo Yibo. Now, the difference between that one be say we not only tell you, we they bring in our own opinion inside them. So not be only us, they put our mouth inside all the stories them. You too, where they out there, you need to put your mouth inside. Enter Twitter at Wazobia. You need to talk at your own for them.
Oh yes.
Now, our first story for today, this will not be actually sweet story at all. because this one, we don't hear of our stepfather, stepmother, they abuse their step picking them. And this one, na story will happen for inside Obodo Ibo. Now we hear say one woman where they live for inside Texas for America, say now she thought they answer question for inside prison. Because say she do waiting, she do one kind badness to her stepson. Now according to the report we get, they say she starve her stepson. She not give him food for plenty days. 5 years old, now this her stepson bill for plenty days, and she can't lock him for inside the room downstairs. They say they lock her for inside, not be even room, closet. The person they put clothes. Now there, now she lock this her stepson. But thank God, now they don't discover the son. They don't treat the pikin. And then, according to the report, they talk say after they treat the pikin, say they will give the pikin back to the father of the pikin. But why we actually bring this story come our table, because we don't hear of cases of stepmother, we don't hear of cases of stepfather, the way that they abuse children. And this pikin now, 5 years old.
You don't happiness.
5 years old, you starve this pikin. 5 years old, you not give him food. They say when they ever see the pikin, they say now only the bone now they show. The bone, only the bone now they show. And why? Because according to her, because you get one time where she fed one the first time, where they catch her, she can't come out with different story, saying that because say the boy not like this, the man where she they date now. Plenty stories now she don't bring come out. But ladies,
see the baby body.
See the baby body. See, 5 years old now she lock inside closet where they.
She actually want Mary Pikin die.
Now the idea be there, because I believe say she.
All right, we're going to put mouth inside this matter. How will I see this stepfather, stepmother of a thing? Because really, the thing don't go beyond care right now. You don't go beyond be careful. How you see this stepmother? You don't ever see home where you get stepmother or stepfather where they live in peace.
It depends on the kind home we, because yeah, many homes they will be say they inside polygamy, and the whole issue of stepmother, step this thing they. But it easier for the children when it be say okay, maybe the husband and the wife, the man come marry second wife, and the mama of the children still there inside the same house. At least she go fight for her own children. But I tell you, when it be say the mother of the children, they don't chase that one come out, and the new bride now in there inside, a whole different story. And me, I always wonder why, because if you aspire to get your own children, because pikin na pikin, whether na you born them or no be you born them, and then you see pikin, as adorable as they look, as beautiful, as innocent as them be, you can't still get the mind say you won't do this kind of pikin badness, and your conscience no judge you. I tell you, you're on your way to hellfire. Because that kind of thing, I don't know what thing I go call them, whether na wickedness or na evil, or I really don't understand that, because it got some kind of things where human beings not supposed they do. You supposed to put yourself inside that shoe. If you did there waiting you go like me then do to you. And then secondly, if you decide say you feel say you and your wife no feel stay again and you want to take a new bride, I beg make the children follow their mama go. You know they compulsion make you keep them dead, and they will come they suffer where you be saying that you they inflict on top them. If you decide say you know they in love with your partner again, make the children follow the mama, or make them decide where they want they. So if they begin suffer, they know say now their own decision now in them make for inside there. Because as they talk, when elephants they fight, now the grass they suffer them. You will be the parents, you know they suffer them. Now the children now they face the whole trauma and everything. Sure. So make we they use our brain, I beg.
Like what you talk, Betiana, you make sense there depending on the family. But I understand, say, for small pikin like that, if you won't break up with the parents, you're supposed to leave the pikin with the mother. Now when it don't come grow, now you go to, but you know, in another case, we say maybe the mother now when they go out, maybe now she get faults. Maybe okay, for example, now a woman where they waka, and you won't come take charge of your own pikin, you won't make the pikin stay with you. You don't expect that kind of father make you still give the pikin to the mother. But if the pikin they small, me I just feel say you know mean. Even if she they waka, she they do waiting, just leave her, because that. Even though some mothers know they be mother, but if you can't look at, no be she originally born that pikin. You understand? So where the real mama then, and that one wicked pass, because if you feel born pikin and you live on with somebody that age, where they 4 or 5, you live on with somebody, then are you wicked pass?
What if the real mama don't die?
What if the law, maybe they don't do one kind law or something, then go court and court say, okay, oh, now the papa and the pikin go stay with. She not gonna get option again.
What?
Yes, maybe like if you be junkie or you know get stable job or all those things, yes. But I tell you, still out of 100, me, I go say at least 70 stay with your parents, because not be all the children get that strength to fit stand somebody else. You get some children where they accept strangers. You get children where be say even your own blood self come around. Not so from that kind of age till 5, and imagine waiting this one do the pikin. No matter how they treat that pikin, I know say you know fit there because that trauma don't already day in part of in life. You don't get another part for in life. Now only God go help and say make him no come turn on another thing.
True.
Now all these kind of people, because of depression, they can't commit suicide. No be say at the moment the thing they disturb them, but when he can't think calm, the thing will come make and they depressed. Then he go say he won't commit suicide, he won't do one kind thing to himself. So just pray. And if you be in Nigeria, you the wicked person picking. Remember tomorrow, rain fall today, you don't know where it go fall tomorrow. Make you take care of somebody because you want to somebody go on take care of them.
Definitely. In fact, they don't talk everything, and in fact, they don't take the points, the major points. Because me, I feel say children they really suffer on top of this step. Yes, some people they find a rosy. So then go to say my stepmother very nice, my stepfather they very this. But at the end of the day, we will not like give ourselves. Nothing like real mama. Nothing like your blood mama we born you, we really care for you. Because if this pikin grow up tomorrow and if you say he won't do anything, if they know or give a better orientation, if you grow up tomorrow, if you turn to junkie like she talk, if you turn to junkie, if you decide, if you just don't they think and come date very depressed, come they carry different type of things, you know they even take care of children, no go like women. Because of the way in mama treats, okay, not be mama, but yes, stepmom. That's the same thing. Because you know, if I'm sure it be like you know go know in mama, you can't be like stepmother and I come meet. You know, go just like women for anything. So you know, from small, the connection where you get with your pikin, I just will say they better. Maybe we just try, draw children close and not make them, just not leave them like that. It better make you keep them to yourself. Not make them know who you be. Learn from your hand.
Apart from say you keep them to yourself, if they get some situation where you go fall as stepmother or steppapa to some pikin. Now in situations of maybe the mother don't die and the man need to remarry, he come marry another wife, and the woman need to take care of this pikin as a stepdaughter. It not mean say because say you be step, it not mean say you not fit play the role of a mother. Yes. Because I don't also see some cases where I not even know say that the stepmother, but she carried the pikin, but few cases, but she carried the pikin as her own pikin. Why people not fit carry, even though say you be stepmother, why you not fit carry that pikin where you don't meet there with the man as your own pikin? Why? I just feel saying now wickedness. The heart of man, they very wicked. Because what you not fit do to your own pikin, you go they do unto your step pikin. Why? Just because of wickedness. At this point, we go need, because today our inspirational day, so we go need to tell you where they out there, where be stepmother or stepfather. I beg, take that pikin as your own. Take that. I don't understand where you come as you say nothing like real mama. But what if the mama not there? What if the mama not there? Now you wait there, where they take the role of the mother. Now you supposed to make that pikin not feel and say my mother and my mama not there or my papa not there. Play that role for that pikin. And tomorrow, if that pikin become something in life, he go come back to you.
So yeah,
he go remember you.
Now you go be eyes on top of the cake. Any other person will come now.
I'm telling you, why will not be play that role well? I beg. Stepmothers, stepfathers, I beg. Una need to stand up for the children rather than abuse them, rather than give them some kind of treatment. All right, put your mouth inside the matter. Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Tell us what you think about the stepmother and stepfather of a thing. What you feel so we fit actually do to make sure say we protect the children. I beg, put your mouth inside on top at Wazobia for Twitter. Now our next story now, this one concerns Lagos State Governor. I don't see plenty of people who know they pray to die. Plenty people know they pray to old at all. But our governor for inside Lagos State, Governor Babátúndé Fáṣọlá, he know they fear at all. Whether death come or death not come, he know they fear at all. You know what he do? He don't go buy his own graveyard where they go bury him. He don't go buy him.
Oh.
He don't go buy him. Now, he actually made this revelation after he inspect the proposed cemetery for Muslims and Christians where they built for inside Lekki-Epe Expressway. And he come outside talk, say, come on, me, I don't do my own burial place where they go bury me 4 years ago. Nah, plan am. 4 years ago. This I just make you remember one of my teacher where he'd already buy coffin before he dead. He don't buy coffin. He don't tell some kind doctor say if I die, I can't collect my liver, can't collect my everything, my heart, can't collect my ear and everything. So now, ladies, make people mad this, but I don't need to talk too much on top of the story. You feel say it is right for you to plan your own?
You see, I will tell you, if you yourself, they sure of yourself, because the worst thing for life not to lie to yourself.
Yeah.
But if you don't reach a certain stage where you self, you don't they fulfill inside you, you know, say when that they don't near, you know, get problem. Make accidents no kill you or sickness so you go to battle with. You understand? Say you don't reach that time, you yourself no say yes. You know, and that one might be the best death, even though nobody they pray to miss loved one. But I tell you, if I get the opportunity, I'll go and plan my burial, because I don't go some people burial the way they treat them, because the way they live when they are alive, they live very special. When they die, they bury them like chicken. So I feel if the person, you go do eye service when he did there, when he know did there, still do the same thing for him, because I tell you, spirits still they live amongst us. I believe in spirits.
So you go actually plan.
If I get the opportunity.
You have the opportunity, my sister.
Well, I never get money for coffee.
You don't need money.
And graveyards. No, I must buy the coffee.
I don't know how.
Okay, you get one story about one Nigerian woman where actually see coffin. One guy where they do arts with coffin for Ghana. So she go Accra, she come pay for coffee. Say when she died, this woman know that after like 27, 37. No, the guy where get the coffee shop said don't die. Now his son, but they keep records, because they get people like that. They keep record. Now that record, now the guy come look and say, for this one to be our oldest customer, they go do special one for her.
Enoch. I swear.
I know, in fact, but I know since I go like prepare my own.
No, I'm enjoying
I never, no, be say, even if I know they enjoy the life.
No, they enjoy it.
Nobody won't die, but they won't go heaven.
That one, don't be lying now. Don't be lying.
Disappear, go.
No, I can't go. I go use my legs. I can't go heaven. But yes, to plan my own burial, no. I don't think I go on plan them. I go just pray. Say my children, my children, every other person where I go leave behind, go know as them go take bury me. Because I know say I remember one film where I watched Died Wretched. The man suffer.
Died Wretched.
Died buried in 2.5
million naira.
See that film.
See the coffee where they is buried the man.
I go Nigeria watch that film.
The person when first donates the money and the slapper go slap her.
Where you want slap her from?
I mean spirits, sir.
You need to see the house, the coffee, the car where on top person where the man no see 10 naira
spend for
in life. Now maybe just talk say I no go one plan my own. Anyhow my children see me. I go just make sure say I leave enough for them by special grace of God. I leave enough for them. When I die, they see money take bury me. End of discussion.
Well, for me, I know things I get any plans to they organize or package or plan my own, I won't say wedding now, my own burial. But one thing where I go talk is say, if anything happen and I die, whether I get money, I don't get money, I don't expect to make them spend so much money for me, because I believe say, where they go, they better. So the money made them save and use them for themselves, because now they really need them for inside this world. The only thing I know say I they do now, sometimes I feel just sit down, I go begin think, say, what if I just poof now? Now who go really miss me? Now who go say, okay, I don't do this thing where be say it really affect my life. Where then go say, to say Betiana this thing for no they happen. Those thoughts, yes, those thoughts they always enter my head. Say, God forbid if I poof now, my mama how she go feel? My brothers and sisters, my friends, where they walk, then go replace me sharp. I mean, they go just, and they always get those thoughts for her.
Betiana is going
so let us end this story. Let us end the story. But you were there out there. You know what you were there. Tell us what you think about.
Miss me if I poof.
Tell us what you think about.
We never tell us your own opinion. You just
tell us what you think about our Gunge governor don't do. Governor Babatude Fashola, what you don't do. When you come out, I don't say he'd already planned your burial 4 years ago. Now he don't plan. If you say the right thing to do, or now actually good thing to do, just enter Twitter at Wazobia. I will not tell you my own. We will come back, I think.
Hello, now your boy Bidiso, Chica 100%.
When you wake up in the morning sun, just give praise to God who keeps you alive. Shante. What's up, my people? Now your boy Ajuju, and this na Talk on Wazobia TV.
All right, so my people, we don't come back.
All right, yeah, we don't come back, but they come on me, so Pimbi go lead us now.
All right, so my people, yes, we don't come back and talk. And you know, say, hey, for here, we give you the story as it trend for internet and as it happen around Nigeria. So that you self go get the opportunity to shook your mouth inside, make yourself know what's in the happen, because it's good today in the know. In the know, we say you know what's in the happen. But for here, talk, we can't talk anything. We they bring down, we they sniff. We been waka yesterday, she sniff one come, and I'm here to give to you. All right. This one, a Lagos businesswoman. She dey pray. She dey think, she dey suggest. Now she think and say, this my business, don't they go down? What thing I go do to make the business start to dey boom? What thing this woman do? Her name now Helen. Helen just go, she did TV, I be online, and she see advert to say, if you want to resuscitate your business, contact this number, 080. Now the woman go call the number. As she called the number, they answer her. The herbalist now, we form as the spiritual person where they give person money. In 3 wives, the man don't marry 3 wives. In 3 wives, con acts as witches.
Now this one be the Helen?
Yes, this one I be the Helen. Now she they see. So imagine this one get 10 million naira.
One of the 3 witches.
Okay, now one of the witches be this one. Oh, okay. Now them plan, say, okay, they go help her resuscitate her business. Everybody plan like witches and wizards. Her husband come, they notice, say, my wife, I don't understand. You don't remove money like this, the investor. We waiting you. If not goods she they buy, normally she they let her know. So this time around, you know understand what they happen. And the man say, make you follow the wife, go there, make you go check what's in the happen. Now they arrest the 2 of them, the husband and wife. Then they catch the 2 of them. 2 of them tell say if they talk, say they go die.
Say go be.
At the end.
But God help them. Like I say they escape for there. As they escape, 9 the man come outside, they talk this one. But what me get to ask on today, we see. My people, you get anytime where you're hungry for money, where you see advert, because I tell you, if you enter public buses or you did some places, Molue, yes, because I remember those days.
Who tell you say they no good? They go Ikorodu, whether you know see Molue.
Molue, Agege side at Igbegbe.
Say you no get Molue
again. Then get Molue. You get anything where go make you at least see adverts. To say okay, because we ladies now, they'll tell you say to make you slim in 3 days. Fat where you don't get for 7-10 years. You can't decide say now 3 days now you want to lose the fat. They won't cut you to 3. You don't get any adverts where make you at least ginger go say okay, you won't call the number so that you go be part of it in there.
Me I go talk say personally. Me I dey fear those kind of adverts.
Okay.
If I see, especially those adverts where you go just waka the pass, go see one for one. I dey fear them, eh?
Okay.
Even when they get one where I see, that one even make me laugh. It say, call your hey. It say, that organizer you won't talk. Volky. He just talk anything before there. And I say, so me now go see this person I can't call. Make come work for my car.
You know sabi right now. You know sabi spell. Not me say no sabi do the work.
Check all those things. Don't forget
that one they good. That one they good. That one they good. The one that go tell you say, if you want make money rich, call Indian kono, put number for them.
Yes,
now that kind of one we talk about. Not be say call your mechanic. Call
this
one.
Anyone where I just sift na wall on paper. I know they see those kind of things they believe in now. Because I believe.
Let me tell you, Amaka. It gets some entrepreneurs we no get money to package well. Okay. So the only place where they get to do all those things, if you see one clean place and they notice the people they pass there, so they go right down for them. Call electrician 080. Just put them for the word here. You as they pass. Some people they call them. Some people they live around there.
That make me start with personally. Me,
but it's very dangerous.
She be okay, we just see. She be this one. No be danger. This one do so. She carry herself go put inside. It does say she think and well. Today she do. She no fit dey too careful. Yes. But if she say she think and well, even if she at least she for try involve her husband, now them at the head. She for involve her husband, make two of them sit down, think am. If the husband say, yes, my wife, go for the money. As she don't feel say her business don't drop. Go for the money. Yes, go. But right about now, me, I not go believe say I go see any adverts, believe say they go give me money in 10 days. And I will jump and go. I know go.
Well, for me, I don't see where husband and wife, two of them, they stupid together.
Yes.
So no be matter whether she call her husband or she no call her husband.
But it better make two of them stupid.
It better make two of them.
Yes.
Doesn't not two of them stupid. It is said they go reach police station to take report this case. Anyway, for me, I no go fit follow. I dey see all these plenty ones for inside Molue, for inside mass transit them. You go say, call the Indian grandmaster on pokong, pokong, pokong. You go see the number for them. They go say, divorce ring, marry me quick. Pass your examination. Win the lotto. You go see everything for inside there, but it take common sense. I tell you, and
because
then they talk and say common sense. No, they common. Now, why people see they fall victim for all these kind of things? Because me, I don't hear different stories. I dey always watch a lot of programs. I dey listen to a lot of programs on top radio. I dey hear people's story. I dey read blogs, and you go see said he got one where I read from top one blog one time where one man say, no, now actually woman say she dey get affair, some year affair, distance one with person for Obodo. Now they always chat on top social media. Now she stand and say one day, I say, I want to see you. So I know they ever they see you. I want to see you. People where they talk, people where they hear me now, they don't go believe her. But me, I dey believe anything. Now why wise like this? And she say, so suddenly, 90% say, okay, no worry. By tomorrow, so and so time you go see me for who I be. And she said she see the person now like 200 the person gets. Not be human being. So long story short. And then after all that one, she called they see the person for dream, all these kind of spiritual things. Man, not to go inside them. But we need to learn, say, Rome was not built in a day. If you not say you want money, person can tell you, say, we go give you 1.5 billion naira in 3 days. Now magic. You need to check yourself. You as a person, you get that kind of money, you go fit give person on a platter of gold in that amount of time where the person don't do anything. These things now common sense. You need to wise up, give yourself brain, because all these things now scam. And
maybe they're not taking
eventually now you go suffer.
For me, I actually like this story because this story tells us how the pursuit of money if you make person go the extreme route, and it still tell us how that extreme way they go if you put you for inside trouble.
Yes.
Now they always wonder, you won't go meet one herbalist on that tree, say you want get money. Why that man never build mansion for himself? I don't know.
They stay on that tree.
They stay on that tree
because now from that tree the magic and everything
now there they walk past.
The spirits they live.
The spirit they inside tree.
The spirits forbid house.
The spirit say you must.
If you want to make I don't even complete the story. Now this woman go. Now only she carry money go meet this way. Now Munshi she first go meet them. They can't give her form. She go collect form. This one for Pt.1. The herbalist he get this one they use laptop.
You know what I'm saying? No need to ever complete the story. I actually like how the story ends. I like how it ended. You power of 10 million naira. So everybody where they out there, where you feel say because say your neighbor they make money more than you. Because all these kind of things they make not from jealousy to
and greed.
Now greed go big pass. I they sell cosmetic for market, yo. See mama in Kechi where they sell cosmetic like me. It don't they make plenty money. Why my own not they sell? Hey, I want go on that tree, go meet about they say go give me waiting go make my business. For Benin market.
Benin.
Okay, so all those new Benin market. It can rain, jealousy can they there.
Yeah, no, market general. Market general.
So you were the market woman for there, where they jealous your neighbor because the neighbor they sell. And you feel saying now for you to go give your money to a herbalist for you to make money. Go. The repercussion is always very beautiful.
But why be saying that anytime they feel say their neighbor they better pass them, the next thing we go enter their head now, I go meet that man. You get one man where they talk say
now. Amaka just wear one gold necklace. Hey, me where they walk since I never buy gold, yo. Kai,
so now go back to the next place.
Queen just come meet me. If you see where they going, the man because nowadays they disguise so that they quote Bible for you. I said tomorrow. And they quote Bible.
Those days, they wear one white eye, red clothes. But these days, everybody they package now. Some they wear suit or carry briefcase.
Thanks a bunch to our Nigerian movies because they
enlighten us one way or the other. They pass information.
But I beg, learn from this really.
Yes,
for the pursuit of money. We don't see where people don't steal picking to sell picking just because they want to get money. We don't see where people don't kill their own papa because they want to use their papa blood to make money. I beg. They pursue this money of a thing. Money of a thing. People put person inside pits. And when you enter that pit, you know go fit come
Fit
and go
come
hard
out.
abeg. Make we take am easy. Work hard. This your hand.
You know if you deceive
They
you.
give you for a reason. Work hard so that if you use
And
this
not
your
be
hand,
everybody
take
get
money.
the same destiny.
Oh,
Not
yes.
everybody.
All right, so we'll move on to our fourth story. Yes, so our last story for today. This one, I know say the city to say that Nigeria, this thing come, it goes to so many people. All right, so they happen for Japan. Japan, they don't talk, say they won't give compulsory vacation. That's when I go for holiday to couples, people who don't marry, don't say I do. Don't join body together. They don't agree to themselves. Why? The reason makes sense for me. What did I talk? We say they won't give them this vacation, this holiday, so that they go do so many things, make them born plenty children for the country. No. Because they don't come discover.
No, my sister, we not do that for Nigeria. Okay?
It doesn't
Our population is too much. We don't need it.
Okay, they don't need to give them vacation. Moku deport some children from here. Good.
What we need to do is that we need to get principle. And we need to get law on ground. 2 children per 1 family.
You know why this thing happened for China where it tastes?
Now because of this
you know,
population.
yes, population, they
Yes.
stop them for China, you must not born more than 2
But
children.
now they need their population to increase because of their
tsunami
internal
wey happen.
revenue.
Yes, and the natural disaster we happen for their country. We kill almost half of the youth now.
Yeah,
Old people
thank you.
can't die. So as all of them can't die now, the
So they got a beg now.
You know what? Moko na go dey born.
So now they beg.
So they thought say like only 1 million babies, nine them born for Japan for 2014. For Nigeria.
1 million. Where will they born 1 million for 1 month?
1 month, you don't born them. Go northern side. You go no say picking different from children.
Every day we dey born now.
All right, so but me want to ask this one. You feel say it go dey okay, make we get this kind of for
No
Nigeria?
way.
Okay, follow am up.
No way.
Why?
He's talking, no way. No way. Me, see, no waiting. Japan often bigger one strategy on ground. Say, I beg, our babies don't too much. Oh. We need to bring out law. Make it be saying like two babies to a family. I know say that thing really cause a lot of wahala because some people we don't marry. If the woman don't get belay for the 3rd picking, that they go secretly go abort the baby, or sometimes they go born through the baby inside bush.
Yes,
I understand that particular negative part of them. But bringing them down to Nigeria, you will see person they live for inside small huts get like dozens of children.
I tell you.
I'm telling you, and they not fit take care of the children. That's now why you say this man has these bad things where they happen for Nigeria, they increase because at the end of the day you can't send them to school.
Yeah.
At the end of the day you can't feed them. So they're going to need to put their hands on inside bad things. For me, we don't need this kind of law now.
At all.
We don't need that.
At all.
What do we need, first of all?
Make them
now
first
to
stop.
reduce
Yes.
the way, especially if you're poor, you not fit take care of your children, have to reduce the way you take the born every time.
No, you know, if they say poor, you not gonna know who poor.
So
Because
in
when
general, we
you
should
get
generalize
belay,
it.
nobody know who poor.
Exactly.
May they just generalize and say, okay, from
Three children.
2014, nobody must born past three children max. If it's too much, give one to government and give Betiana one.
Why Betiana?
Not go work. How we go take regulator?
No, but
How we
if
never
they
fit
say
regulate a
max,
lot of things.
if they say max, make you know born. Once you don't born before, they fit go on house go check. But how they will know? They will know woman don't born before.
See,
or they go inject women to
Nigeria people, they go vacation every day.
I tell
So
you.
we don't even need that. They go vacation every day.
No, not be every
We
day
don't need
go
vacation for us to swim here.
Kai.
We can swim here anywhere. So
And maybe then they feel say now because the people they work hard to take care of mother, father, because them nobody the people they leave home. Even if you marry, you stay with granny, mommy, daddy. Very small because they're not many.
make Japan do one,
If you
sister.
check
Now let me and you they talk for you. Make Japan do one.
But I want to ask one question. That tsunami we wanna say carry them. Why be saying only children and the tsunami carry? Because that's why they laugh. Maka they say why you laugh. Why you saying only old people remain? I can't wonder why.
Victims of war, children, are
Children,
most vulnerable
yes.
to it
No.
because they not feel
But with
escape. They
tsunami,
not
no be
feel.
war.
They not feel.
She says tsunami.
No, I mean
Natural
disaster.
It is
Disaster,
children.
war, everything. Now children they actually affect them the most because they not feel old things now. They don't get that kind of weight, that kind of power to hold on to a lot to something for a very long time. So I understand if children actually go with the tsunami.
Because
I
only
understand.
old people are in there for inside Japan.
Because the older ones where they are alive then. When
I
the
don't
tsunami
understand why you
happen, they
don't
don't
answer me.
Because she didn't give you explanation.
She can't.
And the children take waka go and they don't feel hold anything.
But for me, Japan, if you need children, we as chef give us come and take children from Nigeria. We don't too many.
I shall not agree
But
to
for
that
me,
one.
that law, I say 0. No. If when you marry, resume work immediately. Because how that time you go no say during the vacation, person go come get belle na 4. 6. Now you go there inside the belly. What's happen? We too they born for inside this country. We actually, like we talk, we need the law to regulate the rate of birth for inside Nigeria. Children not too many. And then it still boils down to unemployment again, because when you don't get work, the next thing you go they think that's me 18. But if you don't work for money rich night,
when you come for night, you go tired.
Go there your brain.
When you don't get work, you just go beer parlor like that beer parlor. So you just drink like 20 bottles. When you reach out, come, mommy Kechi.
Oh yeah.
Come here.
But on the more serious note, you know, say this thing they happen true as in like Japan. Just imagine say if it work for now, if you come Nigeria,
you not go come.
Wait, you not come.
Make our government don't think.
Don't put if you not go come.
Wait, we imagine them.
No.
Okay.
We just imagine.
Even for the imagination,
I can't even imagine it.
More imagine for a Amaka moment. So
Thank you. Make I just try imagine and think say then bring this law.
But slap you.
Immediately una marry. Or una don't marry reach like 3 years. They never see pikin.
Okay.
And una they walk. This one they walk like Jackie. This one they walk. They call come in a house. Pong, pong, pong. Mr. and Mrs. When did you get married? 3 years ago. Is there any child? No. The next thing we go, you say, oh yeah, mona pack on yourself, go vacation. No go happy say they say mona go by first vacation.
I want to ask one question, Amaka. During the time of that vacation, they pay me. Because another thing is that
Yes, the government they pay.
They will pay you.
No,
Because
for China go pay.
maybe Japan they talk about for inside Nigeria.
They go pay, but you go queue up, my sister. You go need to queue. No, the queue go long from you. Etimi and reach Oshodi. So you go need to queue up.
They'll contact me say suddenly the money when
that's finished.
No, it's not finished. So then go say he follow waterfall go or he can't enter marathon race. He run. They don't come see him again.
Wow,
because our incomes they
all our funds they run.
Why would
they be
athletes? Una not supposed to think like this. Everything go they pour.
I beg go and sleep, Joe. They never give pension people money.
They go fit
Amaka, serious Amaka, no be joke. I beg Japan embassy. Wanna give this girl stay today? Make she don't move go Japan because she they think like Japan.
She even look like that. So not say
I beg you. People wait there out there. You wait there out there. Tell us what you think about this law waiting for Japan now. Whether they beg people where they don't marry, say make they actually go on vacation so that they go fit do waiting so we together born picking. If it happen for Nigeria,
yes.
Yeah? Put them on top Twitter at Top Wazobia. I'm going to need to pass more break while we think of how we go take import you.
You look like Chinko Turu.
I know that they be like toy.
When they come back, I beg. Give us Coco.
This my women.
Who is your women?
You are my women. If I you just they chop me for here.
Amaka just talk like Igbo woman. You know when they do this their August meeting? This is my women.
Amaka, give us Coco of the day. I beg you.
So now, so you still want chop me put again?
No. I just want to give us Coco of the day.
Now, wow. We welcome. I miss you.
Okay, so I'll Coco of the day.
No, not still a shine. Not still a shine. Make you shine.
No, if I not start, you know start.
I no go start.
No one that does
welcome back. Now talk we see the top of television. Yes. Right now, okay. Coco of the day. If you say they okay, make you borrow as in you want wed. If you say they okay to borrow money, do your wedding. As in you don't get the money and you want wed, you can't decide now money you want borrow, do the wedding.
Amaka, you answer that question.
No. She they ask us.
Ask question first. So when una go answer me, I go.
Let's say you're absent again, because I get reason why I want me Amaka be the first person to actually answer that question.
Just bring some kind of question. When we say you go one puncher. Who's kind?
Borrow answer.
Yeah, okay. I'll borrow like 5 million naira to do wedding. I'd like to borrow.
No be you go borrow money to your
I say like 5 million naira. I would like to borrow and take the wedding.
Society wedding.
Society wedding. Amaka, you know go like to come inside the hall, everything
sengemenge,
cream and properly.
No, you know what should they ask? We say they right to borrow money to wedding.
Now me they tell her in her own word because I love my husband. Amaka, in her own word, I love my husband and I get hope say we go pay because I love him. We'll borrow.
Is it right, Queen B?
Which kind of talk with that? I tell right.
Okay.
When divorce, they be like rice and beans for Nigeria. Borrow money, take marry now. You know, borrow money, divorce. Now they pay the money after.
Now question I ask, so my people na question I ask. If I want to
Ask them again.
if
They're
I
not
want
saying
to
they don't
for this
understand
matter, when I run enter I'll talk Wazobia, and I'll ask the question again. If you say they okay to borrow money, take to your wedding. And just the question where at night could be one chop me so.
Do we if you get on the score for the screen, me then no say
The matter
question.
It our screen.
It's our screen.
Betiana, I better help me answer.
Wait, I want to ask you because now I enter my worry level. So,
all right.
Remember that comedian where we get on Friday? Okay, Mute.
Memory card.
Memory card. You know, say you don't tell them. Say if you know, say you don't get money, you want to wedding, maybe you just carry belly, give them pwa. So when you don't give them the belly, pwa, now the family go they call you say, you no worry, not bring any money. No, leave the yam. No, leave the wrapper. No worry. Just make yourself available. They present. The wedding go hold. Why you go they borrow money do wedding? For what reason?
I don't understand.
Why? I dey answer you.
Okay.
You know they're right. Because number one, the life day after the wedding, you know go fit start a new life, say you don't borrow money, and then the whole ceremony, everything don't finish, you wake up the following day, your girl will come and say, babe, wake up, how so how much exactly we won't give that person now? Okay, how much you get? Oh, you be not get money at all. How want to do? Okay, maybe we go loan, maybe we go bank. You can't borrow.
Now so like be.
Borrow.
We never talk
for
for me at this point I would just talk say I beg cut your coat according to your size I beg. You know
your material
according to your material, my sister. You don't need to do society wedding for your wedding to be authentic. If na 20,000 I get to use and take do una wedding I beg. I don't see people. Like I actually like your question. I don't see people.
Thank you, Jerry.
I don't see people where be say they not get money, but they go round, go they beg for money. And if they go beg Queen B for money, Queen B no answer, they go diverse.
They go keep me enemy
I want
as
to
they marry.
I go meet Queen B, make she give me money. Queen B not give.
Imagine. Now me
Very irritating. Now me send una.
I don't buy super glue, take join una. I buy super glue, do their hand like this.
You don't give your reason because that's just the reason. You know, it's totally wrong.
Very wrong.
It's unacceptable for you to borrow money to do your wedding.
Do low key.
Unacceptable. You need to marry,
Derika.
start a new life. Not be to marry, talk, say, okay, bring that money with the experience. Okay.
No, you know what understand.
We need to give Queen B her money back. Cameraman. Give that person will do cake for us. How much? 20,000.
It remains 20,000. Some people that from spraying money, then they take complete.
That's why when they dance, that's why when they dance, they go they look. Chifu go.
But you never see where they even correct because of spraying of money.
I don't know.
Who they carry the money? Who they pack them?
Who they pack them?
Now your auntie. No, my sister must pack it. My sister must pack this money.
Nah, lie, I never see that.
No, I don't see that one. I don't see that one. They fight. The guy actually stopped to the dance. I don't see. Talk say no. Say he wants make his younger sister come pack the money because the wife sister too. They select. Should they remove transportation where they take come? She don't hide the first and the second one. And the guy said no. Make his sister come. Now the sister come.
It's totally wrong. It's totally wrong for you to borrow money to do your wedding. I beg. Enter Twitter, go tell us what you think about them. Is it right for person to borrow money to do wedding? Put them on top Twitter at @Wazobia. Who asked me to talk? Oh, God. All right, we get outro. Time for us to do
yes, we get outro. Right about that. You know this Oscar thing?
Oscar Awards.
No, Oscar Awards.
Okay, awards.
Get some kind clothes with them. Yeah. If for good me, we will see like 3 of them.
We get 3 of them.
Like
no, they wear mad clothes go Oscar.
As they are not get.
No, see, let me tell you. The definition of Oscar na daring clothes. You know they wear normal clothes go Oscar. Okay, forget about say you go say oh this set where we put our morals. Forget about that. Oscar, if you know they daring, no come.
No, we see the pictures.
But like we talk, say they wear mad clothes. Definition of mad now too. They get mad clothes and they get mad clothes.
Okay, our mad.
All right, producer, give us picture 1 from the Oscars. We were there in spirit. Amaka, we say you go report and you say you get something to do. I go deal with you.
She would have said daring. See that face.
You must wear daring. It's daring now.
No, it's daring. Now they talk. This one na mad clothes.
Betiana, you go wear this cloth?
Never.
Amaka?
Hell no.
Amaka?
No!
Why you'd like to speak English?
Hell no.
Queen B is complete. Well, make I tell you.
Hey, analyzing.
Yes or no, Queen B?
I not go say yes or no this one. I go fit wear am.
You wear something under your shimmy or you wear
Okay, it gets one shimmy what they do these days. You go so shock you say some of them no actually show their real skin.
Yeah.
You get one where they actually get the skin color of your body. They will put them inside. So people see them, they go think say na your skin.
So you go wear the cloth.
I go wear them. If they go put that lining.
3 to 1. So that means we are throwing it away because
Does mean sharply.
I said no.
No problem.
Second cloth, please. Second cloth. Loading.
Wait, it be like say the theme of the Oscar now come naked.
She never tell you. Now come naked.
Nah.
Amaka, you go wear this cloth.
This one, they call this
She
one
for just naked.
Queen Bee, you go wear them.
definition of, I no go wear them, but na art. No be cloth I go want.
But how you go wear them?
If I did wrong way.
You go wear them.
That's what I'm talking about, my girl. You get the point. You get the check.
Don't be claiming my shine.
Okay, please,
Why you
please,
no
please.
talk am?
Can
No.
we, wait, let me...
I said
I'm sorry, sisters. We need to explain something here.
Okay.
This particular segment is called wear or throw
Throw away.
Okay.
So we need to decide whether we go wear ram or not. Now we are not on the wrong way. We are not models
Okay,
here.
we shall throw this
I'm a
away.
model, sorry.
No.
Speak for yourself.
No.
No, but speak for yourself.
Okay, I'm a model too. But you go wear
Three
this cloth
women
on a
jump
normal
together.
day without being on the wrong way. You go wear this cloth.
I dey craze. If you see me, they wear this, they walk out for road. You know, hold me, time me road.
I go hold you, sis. Me, I'm not going to wear ram. Okay, let's see the last
No, we
one.
go throw away this one.
Let's see the last,
last one.
Oh.
Not bad.
This one day beats.
Now
Now see through.
I go wear ram.
Now sequence. Now see through.
Me, I go wear this one.
I'll wear this one too. What's in the
Amaka, go wear ram.
See, let me tell you something. For this
This one they transparent too now.
it is transparent. This one
Very transparent.
Yes.
Everything.
But you feel wear that same
No,
lining.
I
what
feel
they
wear this one. Wear something inside.
that lining, what did they do?
Sorry.
Like,
This one a gown, right?
yes, now
gown.
she just wear
gown.
cape
She
like
just
on
wear
top.
small this thing inside.
Four. She wears small four.
I feel wear her with Laden.
Okay.
What's in the laden?
The
Who
lining.
you bush? What's in the laden?
Lining. When they line up.
She walk off.
Yes, lining. For outside they call her ladidi.
Anyway, me I no feel wear am.
I know where.
I go fit to wear them. Let me tell you.
Up no
For the
nothing.
event, forget that in Amaka. You got to trend. This one now where you dey go show
Queen
yourself.
Bee, if you want
say,
trend, you go trend. Lady Gaga they trend, but she know they naked.
No!
No. Listen. You see what Lady Gaga wear for this Oscar?
No, she did decent for
See,
this one.
I feel
But she
say,
trend.
I'm talking about
You know
Lady Gaga.
that she be like Amaka we won't go moon on Monday.
I feel say that her engagement can make her day more conservative.
Yes,
because
can make her dey
now she
cover
don't dey
body.
tone and down.
Even
Not say she
the
never,
mad
not
shoes.
say her colon not dey there.
No, wait.
It's still there.
Man, auntie.
Yes, sis.
Now one thing to engage, now one thing to marry. If she marry, they marry eventually.
All right, she go actually marry. But producer show us the 3 pictures back to back so that you were there out there go fit decide whether make girls they wear this cloth or make them throw them. All right, picture 1. Tell us your mind. Picture 2. Tell us your mind still. And picture 3. Tell us your mind. Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Tell us whether make girls they wear this cloth or make them not wear them.
You know
I see
something?
one picture of one black girl where she wears something like that.
For Nigeria.
Yes, for my Facebook.
I want to talk
just
now.
ask the guy, say, on what occasion is this?
Okay.
Everything they show.
We dey
everything.
copy.
We
dey copy.
But we know that you see, it gets clothes so that they wear on top stage. It get clothes so that they wear even go hospital.
Yeah.
It get clothes so they wear when sun they shine. Not be like Nigeria where they wear leather under hot sun. Leather.
All right, so should we read their tweets?
Which one that they wear go hospital?
No, you wear cotton.
girl.
Mostly, no, let me tell you this one.
Now one leave Amaka.
All right, time to read your
We go do am for
tweets.
body
Time to
kajad.
read your tweets.
Okay.
So if you never send your tweets, enter at Wazobia. Begin to send them now because this is not the time for us to read your tweets. So make sure say your voice. We hear them talk. At Ayodeji Samuel, it will say, oh no, it's not good to borrow money because you want to wedding. No. You say, I think it's better to cut your clothes according to your size.
Material size feel big, so you go cut plenty. Cut material
weight.
At Emmanuel Gray, because it say this is wickedness to the highest level. Sometimes I wonder why people are ill-human. He says she's not worth to be called a mother. That one concerns our stepmother story where she maltreat her step picking at it tomorrow, no day. All right, thanks a bunch. At Clementina Paul, you thought say, woman will do bad to another woman picking. Now wickedness from hellfire. And our own children no go sabi am. Vulture go chop am.
Ewo.
This one don't vex. Kisses.
You know, from this tweet, you go know, so this chick know what's in they go on. That's, if it don't happen to you, there's a way you talk.
Yeah. All right, Atayo Digi Samuel, you come outside talk, say the love of money is the root of all evil. Remember? Now with you talk concerning that
woman will go give 10 million to Abalis.
Okay, Clementina Paul, the people they talk plenty. He say, if I hear him, he say, we don't want that kind of love for Nigeria. Now make we reduce 2 to 3 pikin. Don't do. Abi, now for sale.
Abi, oh.
Now so you put a title
6 children, born 8 children, if you take care of them.
Then they use them do farming.
Emmanuel Green still talk. He say it's a nice law for them because they have the economy. He say, but it's not a good thing here in Nigeria. He say, just imagine how many children go come out for inside Nigeria. At Talk Wazobia. If you been that kind of law, say make couples go on vacation to born pikin.
I'll born December. Then next year I go born again. Then next 2 years I'll born. So
because now every year people they go vacation.
Yes.
So now every year they go born.
Spacing the day.
Atinu, yeah, for real. You talk say I love your show. Keep it up. About the stepmom and dad issue is kind of common these days. What I can say is that wickedness lives in person's hearts.
Yeah.
Word.
At Moste Coco, you talk say that stepmother is heartless. She won't turn them to Jesus. He said, make them seize her breath for 10 minutes, then sentence her. He said, Uwi, why are you so sweet?
She rub sugar for body. I bet vanilla strawberry.
Honey.
All right, thanks a bunch to all those who they send their tweets. And now tweets actually plenty for you. But you know what? You're going to need to do or something because very, very soon and plenty betterment will happen. You're going to need to tell your friends, tell your mother, sister, uncle, brother, auntie, mother,
friend, neighbor,
cousin, colleague. Send me the follow us on top Twitter at Talk Wazobia because on top Twitter, 90 every day happens. So you need to follow us. My name is pweeery. We see the wish Kel from the blog. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Till tomorrow we'll go meet you again. Make una get better night.
Yes, my name still remain Betiana Unwili.
And my name still remain Amaka Okudiafo.
And my name still remain Queen B, aka Sunana Queen B. Look at me tomorrow.
And as we always talk, say to talk not be bad thing, but
make it know what you